Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is a healthy living journey. It is supported by eating healthy vegetables, fruits, and salad. If you happen to watch my channel, I ask you to kindly subscribe. Now, what did I make for us today? Today, I made a really nice green salad, which is lettuce, tomatoes, and green pepper with balsamic vinaigrette. And what else did I make for us today? I made chickpea soup. Yeah, chickpeas are very healthy, protein and also fiber. I just boiled the chickpeas, I blended them, and then I sauteed onions with the tomatoes, and then mix it together. Yes, this is chickpea soup. And then I'm gonna have it with a wheat pita bread. Yes, that's very healthy. Yes, so I'm gonna scoop the soup here. Yes, so this is the way the soup looks. Chickpea soup, really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna say grace and then we go from there. Bless what is in front of us. In your name I pray, amen. Again, I like to thank you all for taking the time to watch my channel and then to subscribe. Yeah, so we're gonna try this a little bit and see how it goes. Awesome soup, really good. I also added ginger in the soup. This is a very easy soup to make. Just boil the chickpeas with the salt. Yes. And then when they are very soft, you blend them. It really hit the spot for me. Awesome.